Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lyasia, and today I've partnered up with Lottabody to show you how I create a super hydrating hairstyle using their coconut and shea oils line. And the products being used today will be the Hydrate Me Moisturizing Shampoo, the Love Me 5-in-1 Miracle Styling Cream, and the Moisturize Me Curl and Style Milk. So if you're interested in seeing exactly what I did to achieve this, then just keep watching. So starting on freshly washed hair, I used the Hydrate Me Moisturizing Shampoo and loved it. My hair is so soft. And I'm going to just go ahead and section my hair off into these 3 sections. I got this idea from Minnie Marley. This is how she does her flat twist, and I always love the way it falls. So next I'm taking the Love Me 5-in-1 Miracle Styling Cream, and I'm using it as a leave-in just to give me some extra moisture. And then on smaller sections, I'm taking the Moisturize Me Curl and Style Milk as my styler product and just working that into my hair, and then going in with my Denman brush to further detangle and get the product evenly distributed throughout the section. So a flat twist goes a little something like this, and this is the best way that I can explain this for you guys, so I hope you understand it. So you'll take 2 pieces of hair as if you're going to do a regular 2-strand twist, and you cross one over. That piece that you crossed over, you're going to pick up some hair and add it to that part, and then cross over again. So you'll cross over, pick up some hair and add it to that section, and then cross the other piece over. So you'll keep doing this all the way down, and that's a flat twist. So I just continue doing this until there's no more hair to pick up, and then just keep twisting regular 2-strand twists on the way down. You can detangle your hair if you need to, so you make sure there are no knots in your twist. You don't want that. And basically I'm going to do this for that entire 2 back sections of my hair. So then for that front, I'm going to give myself a nice deep part and then do 2 twists going down on the smaller section. And then I'm going to split that other section in half again, do 2 flat twists going down. And then on my top section, I'm going to do 3 flat twists going forward. I just love how it falls doing it this way. And this is how it looks when I'm done. Now it's time to air dry overnight. So once my hair is completely dry, I'm going to just put some oil on my hands, rub it all over, and then start to unravel the twist. It's so important to take your time when unraveling your flat twist because it's a little more intricate than a regular 2-strand twist, being that you're picking up hair. So to avoid frizz, you want to just take your time and not just rip it apart. Be gentle, take your time, go slow. And now my favorite part is fluffing it out, getting it nice and big. You know the drill. And laying down my little edges on that side. And then I'm done. The look is complete, super easy, and it looks good. So this is the final result of this flat twist out using the Lottabody line. So I just wanted to give you my quick thoughts and how I felt about the product and about my results. So starting with the moisturizing shampoo, I loved it. Definitely can tell right away that this will be a new favorite of mine. It's really moisturizing, which it says that that's what the goal is, and it definitely gets a thumbs up. Also, the Love Me 5-in-1 Miracle Styling Cream, I use it as a leave-in. It's meant to detangle and condition. You can use it as a heat protectant. It adds moisture and shine, prevents split ends, and tames frizz. I do think it was a great cream for that. It actually is meant to be a styling cream. I personally use it as a leave-in just because that's what I wanted to do. The last product that I used was the Moisturize Me Curl and Style Milk that is meant to define curls, tame frizz, and add moisture and brilliant shine. I think it did just that. It was a creamy consistency that I loved, and my hair feels extremely hydrated. It feels soft, it feels juicy, it feels moisturized. To me, it looks moisturized. I hope it looks moisturized to you guys on camera, but I just love it. I love the results. I think it came out amazing. The line smells so good. You guys know I love me a good smelling line. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. If you haven't tried this line, I would say go out, give it a try. I recommend it. It is moisturizing, and that's what I look for in my products. So if you're like me and look for moisture in your products, this is a great line. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found it helpful per usual. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and be sure to subscribe and turn on your bell notifications because YouTube is playing games. I want to make sure that you receive notifications as soon as I upload and not days later. So hit that little bell so you're notified instantly. You're my fam. I want you to know. I want you to watch. I want you to get the help and the tips and all the good stuff that you come to my channel for. I want you to be notified. So go ahead, hit that bell. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll just see you guys in my next upload.